Scorpio. So that was horrific. I'm so sorry. Scorpio. Scorpio. Ooh, so intense. So many people think you're a fire sign, but in actuality, you're a water sign. You feel it all. You feel passion, you feel pain. So emotional, so creative, so dramatic. You have to release that energy so you don't harbor it around your friends and your loved ones. Take a deep breath. Go for a swim. You like the water. Scorpios are really good at regenerating themselves. A scorpion can lose its tail and then grow one back. They can get all worked up and get in a tizzy, but you can come back down and regenerate your energy and your power. The organ that they run is the sex organs. Everyone wants a piece of a Scorpio. Who's a Scorpio I love? Leonardo DiCaprio. Ladies man, am I right? And every lady apparently wants to be with him. Not me. Hillary Clinton is a Scorpio. I mean, powerful woman. Joni Mitchell. Katie Lang. I don't feel like we know a lot about Katie Lang. Sean P. Diddy, Puff Daddy, Brother Love Combs. Is that his name? Frank Ocean? Voltaire. Everyone has a crush on them. There's this magnetism that people are really drawn to. So it's very confusing when you're not a Scorpio because what? What happened? Scorpios, you're ambitious, you're thorough, and willing to go all the way to the end. Great work ethic. You love giving cut-eye. You gotta cool it with that. We get it, you're strong, you're powerful. You make other workers, your co-workers, feel intimidated. So calm down. Here's my impression of a Scorpio. I'm really bad at impressions. Oh, money. You love to buy nice things. Save your hard-earned money. Okay, listen, if you're ever at a party and you see someone flirting with everyone, that's a Scorpio. 100%. You love sex, flirting, not against one-night stands. They truly understand what YOLO means. Live your best life. They are really good lovers. That's what I've been told. I've never dated a Scorpio, but my friend is a Cancer and she dated 2 Scorpios, and now she'll never date a Scorpio. Scorpios, you have such a hard time trusting people. So when you have something good, you hold on for your dear life. Fierce loyalty, and they hate ending relationships. Ooh, awkward. You tend to hold on to grudges, and once someone's out of your life, they're out of your life. So you have to be very careful of who you let into this circle of madness. You're very secretive, and people get turned off by that, but you're actually just a very private person. You have very few good friends, but the ones you do have, these are the real deal, and you keep them close, and you treat them well, and they treat you well. Family, you're quick to compromise. What a delightful sibling you make. Why aren't any of my siblings Scorpios? They're fun and they're creative and they have great energy and they're ambitious and they're not afraid to be themselves. But I don't trust most Scorpios because they don't give you a lot of leeway to trust them. It's a little hard. I don't have any Scorpios in my life right now. That's you, Scorpio, and you're definitely welcome. You want to know about your crush or your friend or your father or your mother or your daughter or your child or someone, just anyone? Go look up their horoscope on the Chatelaine page. Subscribe! 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 Subscribe!